So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Rich. I'm the channel host. And normally here on channel, we're talking about drones, doing drone construction progression work, the overall drone construction industry, building your small drone business, and imaging as well. So we do a little bit of everything here. So if you like what you see today, be sure to like and subscribe down below. Now, we're a couple days away from 4th of July 2022 here in Prescott, Arizona. And so since we're coming up on the holiday weekend, we're going to be dialing things back here on channel just a little bit just for this week. Of course, we'll still be capturing images and video throughout the week because, Prescott's a beautiful place and you can't help but get images from the place. Now, I wanted to announce something special for the 4th of July weekend and for July. We've got two things going on. So number one, we're launching a new Lightroom class, not just for drone operators. This is a quick start guide to getting your Lightroom library set up and then doing some basic editing, and then we take it from there. One of the neat things with this class is we're going to be adding to it. So if we come across a situation or a scene that looks like a great imaging opportunity, whether it's from the air with the drone or from the ground with the EOS M50 here, we will be adding to the course. So since we're doing a soft launch of the course through 4th of July, we're going to be marking the new class down 50%. You can see the information down below on the coupon code to get that. The second big thing that we're doing for 4th of July is we're doing a big markdown on our class bundle here at AZ Drone. So a 14 class bundle, including the new Lightroom class, we're marking that down $150. So the class is now listing with the coupon code for $100. So we're giving you $150 off on that one. Now that class includes all of our classes at AZ Drone's Teachable account. We're going to put a link for you here as well. And one thing I would recommend, it does show all of the classes in the bundle, and each class has a free preview, including that new Lightroom class. So before you think about buying, you can come in and check out the classes and see if they're going to work for you and your needs, building your drone business and building your imaging business. So go ahead and check it out. Follow the link on over to our Teachable site, and you can see the 14 courses. You can check out the previews, and you can make a decision. Hey, is this worth it to me, and will this help me grow my drone business? That's one of the big things we do here is we're very focused on folks who are beginning their new drone businesses, and we're trying to help people understand things like photogrammetry, 2D and 3D modeling, doing time-lapse video, doing time-lapse photography, and doing straight standard photography. Because one thing I can say, if somebody sees you with a camera and they know that you do photographic work, they assume that you also work with drones and DSLRs and video. It's just the case that when you do work for some of your clients, they think that you can probably overlap into other areas. So we do have a broad array of things in the class beyond just the drone work. We've got a lot about imaging, 360 imaging, and now managing your images with Adobe's Lightroom. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great 4th of July holiday weekend, and we'll see you back on channel, I'm sure, right at the start after the 4th of July holiday is over. Hope you check out the new course, and I hope you take a few minutes to check out our 14 course bundle to see if it would fit and help you grow your small drone business as well. Happy 4th, everyone. See you again soon.